Today I will cook beef soup with veggies or nilagang baka. So here are the ingredients. 1/2 kilo or 3/4 of meat plus 1 kilo of bones, carrots and potatoes, 1 big onions and 2 big tomatoes, ginger and chili, green chili, bunch of lettuce, and also we will add green beans or bagu beans. Add oil in a preheated casserole and then saute the onion and the tomatoes until it is half cooked. Now we can add the meat. I already pre-boiled it like around 20 to 30 minutes to remove some excess fats, some bad smell, and some blood on it. Now we can add the ginger and some salt to taste, and then we can add the bones, the beef bones. I already pre-boiled them to eliminate some fats and some blood, like around 10 to 15 minutes. Then I discarded the water. The beef is now tender, so we can add on the potatoes and carrots. Then now we can add on the green beans or the bagu beans and then mix. Lastly guys, we can add the lettuce. After adding the lettuce, we can turn off the heat or the stove as to not to overcook the vegetables or the lettuce and the beans. Then we are done. Now for finishing, we can add the black pepper and we can adjust the salt according to your taste.